beautiful people. Is there one and only Lady J? If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? My darling people, Today's topic now about this girl where a husband took for after the door do marriage that same night. When he say na monster that he see. When he come begin the took a wife. So my darling people, I don't know why people they carry fake rumor. I don't know why people they lie for this world. People too they lie. This lady never me. Why be say if you not just see something now, just begin they lie. This lady never me. She still there alive. She never me. It just that she still there coma. Why be say if you do video, I see somebody do video, people go they write for the comment section. They say she don't me. She don't me. Man, not yet the real truth. But the one will not even know the girl was saying no, though they begin they call in, they lie. This girl, she never, when I want make it me. Everybody they pray, say me she dear alive. People just go the right, say she don't me, she don't me. She never me oh, she see they alive oh. I don't know why people they carry fake rumor I don't know why. Why be say people they always they carry fake rumor. They always they make sure say I find that for something before I will carry and come out. This girl never me. She see they alive. I beg. Now when I pray, I say make it me. I be fair offend now. Me I no understand. Some go even say they know am. Some go even say they know am reach us. Whereas they no even know am. They want just put lie so that make bloggers go carry and finish. Tomorrow now this girl come there alive now. She come begin to draw people. We go put the right rest in peace for her picture. This lady never me. I say make I can't tell people now. She never me because me, I get who they tell me. I get who they tell me. So this lady, she never me. She still dey alive. So make people know they carry fake rumor again. Make people know they lie. Our prayer, make everybody they pray now. Make she wake up for coma. Coma not be where person go. And even when you hear say your enemy dey there safe, you go even they pray. Say make it. You go even go see him. When you go even know see your enemy. Talk about say. Person never ever me. Una will go the right for comment section say she don't me. And so now be go lie to the other woman that day now. That one begin the right rest in peace for her picture. Now later she come find out and say it never me. Why people they lie like this? Why? Commenters, some of una the one that they cause problem for social media is not good. The one that they cause problem for social media is not good. This lady never me. I don't know why. Some commenters they always they lie. I don't know why. People will see and now they'll begin go the right rest in peace. So another person will go and do the topic now. You go the right rest in peace. For person will be say it never me. Until they announce and say this girl don't me. But our prayer be say make she dey alive. Make she dey alive. Now waiting me they pray for. Now waiting everybody they pray for make she dey alive. Cause nobody they happy me enemy even me talking or say person will be say he do marriage. That night supposed to be their honeymoon. Now that the honeymoon they even start. Now that night this kind of thing can happen. Una no also not be ordinary and the boy na citizen of Austria there. That boy na don't enter one chance. Who know whether na waiting they just village people just visit them now. Can't be say this girl now. You can't go use the hand take carry with you. This boy can't go use the hand carry with you. No one, no two now. The girl now. Who know whether the boy now get with fair break it out now do this thing? Nobody know. Nobody know own problem where they wait follow them. Nobody know who they against that marriage. Nobody know. Nobody know who they against that marriage. It did very, very painful. Say that beautiful girl like that. May God not let her. Me waiting me they pray for. May she dey alive. May she dey alive. Because this thing wey happen to this lady so. Not be ordinary hand. Everybody know that one. In fact, the outright today will not be ordinary hand. You don't see man wey happy go put money for a woman head. That same night he begin bring knife come out begin dey choke his wife. He say it is a monster. May you know so not be ordinary hand. Who go see monster wey go see sit down? Not be to pick race. You go see monster. You see sit down. They wait. Or what you want to do? I been not to run, you go carry knife, you fit kill monster. Not be to pick race. Make you know say they don't already do this thing down. They just they wait, make that day reach so that they'll just do this thing. na prayer say make the girl dey alive. And some people say the right say na so the girl, the man, they don leave am. You no don see who go commit that kind of crime, they leave am for prison, my people. No be say Europe una dey. Una don see who go do that kind thing. They go come leave am, my darling people. Why people dey lie? Say they don leave the guy for prison. Now that guy crime na even worse pass. E worse pass who even payment person sef. The crime wey he commit so. E worse pass who even just payment person. Say they don't even leave the guy. Why not they? I don't know why some of all those commenters. We all for the year on our own story. Who they tell una? Una I reach am. You can't say the one go able to say I know the girl reach us. I even know him mama. I see one call away corner for one platform like that. He say he know the girl. He know the family. Very nice girl. The other one go call. He not met the girl. This that. Whereas they don't know them all. Now lie, they lie. They just want lie to that blogger so that one now will come enter problem. That one now will come enter one chance. Tomorrow now they will come they draw that one. You wake up, they don't know, nobody know you, nobody know your face. So more know they lie again. More know they let people go the right rest in peace for persecution we never pay me. More know they do that thing again. It no good. It no good. My darling people, I beg. Person dey alive, he never pay me. Una will begin to carry fake rumor. Fake rumor. This lady never made me finish. I beg. Now on our prayer, our prayer be say make she wake up, make she come talk wetin happen that day. Make she wake up, make she even wake up, make she not lost memory self. Now wetin we dey pray for? Una not dey carry fake rumor again. Una not dey make people go dey do wetin a person not supposed to do. I beg, my darling people. Now so once at a time I see Dumelo. I see her for one blogger. He put right rest in peace. I come to say, this guy don't pay me. And so I want cry that day. And I say, no man I find that before I go do my own. Now when I come further, I say this guy never pay me. You see they are alive. I shocked her lies. Say this guy they are alive. He never pay me. But now maybe now somebody don't go lie to that woman now. We do that video that day and say this guy don't pay me. If that guy say that picture, not be to report that page. So my darling people, I beg you, maybe they find that before we go they do our own topic. Maybe they find that we want to do fake topic again because the person want to create content. My darling people, thank you everybody. Take care until I come your way next time again. I remember your one and only DJ. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you.